Hi guys, welcome. So the next phrase from this show is "you're kidding."
Hey, who wants ice cream? Me.
You're kidding, right?
So this phrase basically means you're joking, and it's a little bit sarcastic. It's not like you're joking, ha ha ha, that's so funny. No. It's more like you're joking, kind of like that. So you're kind of surprised by what someone is saying. You could be surprised. So there's kind of two ways this can play out. You could be surprised, like, whoa, you're joking. Whoa, you're kidding. That's unexpected. I didn't think that. You've surprised me. You're kidding. And you can kind of say it in like a little laughy way, like, oh, you're kidding. Really? So in that case, you're surprised. So someone might say something like, did you know that the dinosaurs were right here, living, right where you're standing right now? What? Really? You're kidding? Wow. I'm amazed. I'm surprised. Although I don't know why you'd be surprised by that. They were everywhere. So just anything that's kind of surprising to you. You might say, wow, you're kidding. Wow, you're joking. You can't be serious. Are you serious? All of those things have the same meaning. In this case, where you saw it in the show, it was much more sarcastic, like, you're kidding. You know, like a teenager would say it. They're just eye roll. No, I don't want to do it. You're kidding. They're not really surprised by what they're saying or by what you're saying. They're just like, you're joking. You can't actually think I'm going to believe that. You can't actually think I'm going to do that. Mom, I'm not going to talk to you. You got to be kidding if you think I'm going to talk to you. Kind of like that teenage sarcasm. And that can absolutely be used by adults too. So yes, I'm picking on teenagers, but anyone can say it in that way. But that's just kind of the other way of saying it, where it's like, oh, I can't believe you said that. You're kidding. So yeah, you're kind of surprised that someone has said something or done something, but it's more like the, oh, that kind of surprise. Not the, wow, surprise, you're kidding. This is the, oh, surprise, you're kidding. Kind of like that. So that's the difference between those two ways of saying it. Means the same thing, said totally differently. Welcome to English. That's how it goes.